Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To make cold foam, just froth cool milk, skim or light fat, in a blender, with a French press or with a milk frother. We're fans of this handheld frother, which is the stuff of your latte dreams, or this one-touch wonder from Nespresso.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Starting today, April 17th, customers at participating stores in the US and Canada can enjoy Starbucks' hottest new cold coffee experience with cold foam Cascara cold brew, and as nitro where available, and cold foam Starbucks blonde iced cappuccino.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Making your own cold foam is actually incredibly simple. For frothing milk in a blender, pour as much milk as you need for your drink into a blender, then let the machine rip for 15 to 30 seconds, or until the milk is foamy. Pour into your drink and sip away.
Take our lead.
Our slow-steeped custom blend of Starbucks cold brew coffee accented with vanilla and topped with a delicate float of house-made vanilla sweet cream that cascades throughout the cup. It's over the top and super smooth.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cold foam cold brew starts with Starbucks cold brew and topped with vanilla-infused cold foam. Starting today, Starbucks stores are also offering a refreshing new shaken iced espresso beverage alongside a new breakfast sandwich for customers to enjoy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.